ExpressVPN versus Avast VPN. So in this video, we're going to create a review about these two VPN, and we see which of this VPN is the best or better VPN in 2025. So right currently, I'm on the website for this VPN, which is the ExpressVPN. The other VPN I'm talking about is the Avast VPN. So here are the two websites. To VPN website. So let's get started with the ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is one of the best deal to save more plan VPN. So I call it save more with plan VPN. Yeah, call it that. And also is one of the best deal VPN. And also they have a lot and a wide range of privacy level, which makes them stand out. For example, they offer apps blocker. They also offer a dedicated IP. They also offer a threat manager, data remover, micro router, and also their services. They give a free 30 days money back guarantee. So once you pay for their website, once you subscribe to their website, and within 30 days you can gain access, you can gain back your money, which is refund. You don't feel like using the service anymore, or probably they don't offer what you think you want. You can just simply go back. Then back to the Avast. Avast is also a free antivirus VPN. Which provide a wide range of privacy level. For example, they provide these cybersecurity levels of privacy, anti-track. They also provide these features, which is breach guide, security identity, secure line VPN, and also they offer 30 days money back guarantee once you upgrade to their plan. And if you think like the kind of services you want, they are not giving that, they're not really that the kind of service you want, you can just get back your money in between 30 days. So get back your money back in the next 30 days before you run out of your subscription. So after that 30 days, money is gone. So let's get started with the VPN. So talking about the ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN they offer the key important features in their privacy level, which is the split tunnel, the lightweight protocol, and the trusted server technology, which makes it stand out. Get ExpressVPN on all your devices. They also provide all their services across all the multiple devices you want. For example, if you're on a tab, you can use the ExpressVPN on your tab. You can use it on your mobile device, and also if you're on a Windows computer or Mac computer, you can simply install it. If you're also running on Linux router, and also on Android or iOS, you can get this device installed on any of your devices. They also provide about ultra fast servers in all the country. They have about 105 countries, and they have their servers all over the country. Now, what people are saying about this VPN? People have a lot of reviews. I have ExpressVPN on all my devices, phone, laptop, tablet, Apple TV, and I absolutely love it. So which shows that they provide a wide range of services. So here is the features right here. Explore all their features. Just explore all the features right from their website. Yeah, exactly. Like I said, they offer a wide range of protection, which makes it a powerful VPN. So they provide a password manager, a tracker blocker. They also ad blocker as well, which makes it awesome. So if password manager is the most important thing to you, ExpressVPN key lets you store your logs and access them just by remembering the one of the primary password. Then you gain access back to your password. And if it is tracker blocker, this enable the ExpressVPN enable threat manager to stop your device from communicating with unknown malicious sites and tracker. Then also this, which is ad blocker. Everyone of you want to remove ads from your world. This is an annoying thing when you are browsing and ads keep popping up almost every time. But with the help of this VPN, you can limit the range at which you receive ads on your device. So display ads are annoying and slow down your browsing. So block them with one tap on your devices with just a single click to ExpressVPN. You can just get rid of all this annoying pop-up. Now, best VPN technology for your privacy, which is the trusted server technology, which is one of the wide-range services ExpressVPN is giving their customer. A private DNS, no activities or connection log, lightweight protocol, best in class encryption, and network log key switch, which is awesome. Now these are the get more with VPN. So you get this, you get access to about 105 servers in more than 105 countries, which is awesome. 24 hours live chat support, lightning fast speed, and also work on every platform, use on up to 8 devices. This is not unlimited, just like any other website. You gain free about 8 devices can get connected to this website and to this VPN, and also a VPN split tunnel. So route some traffic through a VPN while the rest access the internet directly. A VPN for all your device. And so these are the available devices that you can use. Can connect your ExpressVPN with. For example, VPN for Windows can connect your Windows laptop to this VPN. This works perfectly on the Windows laptop, and also on Mac, on Android and iOS, Linux, and also VPN extension for Chrome. You can also install this as an extension if you are using Google Chrome on any of your device. You can use it as well on Firefox. You just add it as an extension, and also on Edge, Microsoft Edge, add it as an extension. So it can also work as VPN for TV, smart TV, for Fire Stick as well, for VPN for Android TV, VPN for Apple TV, VPN for game console. So if you are different type of game console and you want this level of privacy and the private DNS privacy level on your console, you can just install this ExpressVPN on it. You can also gain access to this on your PlayStation, on your Xbox, and on your router as well. So that's it. Let's check the price level, the price tag for this website, if that is included on there. So now these are the level of the key products that this VPN server has to offer. Like I said, the key password manager. They also provide the threat manager, ad blocker, and dedicated API based ID alert, ID theft insurance, data removal, a credit scanner, and eSIM. So they also provide an interface where you can get help and just reach out to customer support, live chat, and enter a redemption code. So all of these has been mentioned. If you want to install it, it's available on Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, Linux, and other as well. So even though their price is not listed on their website, well, like I said, it is a paid VPN website, not free. So if you want to get access to their pricing tag, you can just simply chat with their customer support. But they offer the monthly plan of $8.33 per month. So if you want their service, you can just simply get that from once you get registered to, once you get started, just create an account with them, then use your email, create a strong password, then you can continue with the pro version of the website. And here also, which is the Avast VPN, they provide a wide range of security, which is a free antivirus for Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. Same thing with premium security for all the devices, which is for Windows, for Apple, Android and iOS. Yeah, this is for also for Ultimate, which can get one of the best security, privacy and performance apps on one package, which is also available on the Windows, on the Mac, Android and iOS as well. Then this as well, which is the Avast one, our simplest, it's the simplest all-in-one app for your device. So you can also available, can gain access to that on Windows, on Mac, on Android and on iOS. Then also the privacy level of this VPN, the secure line VPN, they encrypt your connection to stay safe and public network. So also provide the secure browser pro, which is available on all the devices, anti-track, and also breach guide, secure browser, and an online security privacy, which is available on their services. And here's the performance. They also provide the cleanup premium, which boosts your computer and speed up your performance on internet. Also offer the drive update, which is automatically update your drive with a single click. Now that's it. So if you want more, you can also contact their customer support. It is available on their website. The pricing list is not stated. Now let's check through the website if we can get a pricing list for that. Now pricing list is not stated on the website, but they also offer a simple pricing plan for their website, which is not really that expensive, but kind of a little bit. If you are kind of person that wants the best pricing plan, they offer a year plan, a 2-year plan, and a 3-year plan. So if you want to put in for a year plan, which is price per month, which is $4.59 per month, on a year plan in a row, we also provide a 2-year plan, which is $4.39, which is for 2 years and keeping like $4.39 per month in a row. Then we offer the 3-year plan, which is $4.39 per month in a row for complete 3 years, and that's it. So this advert is also one of the best websites, and here's the proofs of the website. They offer their open source library and strong connection. They offer a good speed and unblock the streaming, and also they are awesome. So let's know in the comment section which of these websites you think, which of this VPN you think is the best, and can offer the best privacy level in 2025. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.